You searched how to buy shares of ePlus Inc. ePlus Inc. is an IT solutions and cloud services company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker PLUS. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. This walkthrough uses eToro as an example. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker PLUS to find ePlus Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the correct company name to ensure you have the right stock. On the asset page, review the basic company summary and a price chart to confirm details. Make sure the company description, exchange, and ticker all match ePlus Inc. before proceeding. Tap Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed per platform rules, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the broker link is in the description below.